Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save content in the Finax application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the news button at the bottom of the page on the left, and then just find the content that you're interested in and click on that, and just click on the button at the top of the page on the right to save it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.